You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model S Long Range Plus dual motor, all electric, with 48,000 miles. This car gets over 380 miles at 100% charge. Has premium wheels, the 21-inch staggered wheels, red exterior, cream interior, front trunk storage. Car is in excellent shape. It's got base autopilot. It is upgradable to full self-driving, keyless entry. The number's right here. Still under full factory warranty. This is a Raven. Sorry for all the fingerprints on the screen. Navigation, adjustable drive modes, adaptive air suspension, base autopilot, upgradable to full self-driving, premium connectivity, MCU2. It is a Long Range Plus. Premium sound. Actually, hold on a second. CCS enabled, so we're ready to go. Got here heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated wipers. Right now it's currently at 333 miles. I think it's at 80%. All the door handles are working perfectly. Like new condition. Comes with a charger. It's a nice clean car. Comes with 2 keys. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.